What features should you mention? For Oriental Power AR42518 pressure washer pump. Because it has interesting features, including pressure washer pump head ASSY aftermarket replace part number AR42940, AR42518, AR3061 pressure washer pump models, maximum pressure 2800 psi, maximum flow 2.3 GPM. AR42518 pressure washer pump head kits fits for Craftsman 2300 psi, for Generac 2700 psi 2.3 GPM, for B&S, VR2500, 2800 psi, for Troy-Bilt DE2700 psi, 2.3 GPM, 7.5 HP axial cam pumps. AR42940 pressure washer head fits for Husky HU80722, for Troy-Bilt 020377-0, 020413-0, 020413-02, 020413-1, 020415-0, for B&S, 704667P/W models. AR43061 pressure washer pump head assembly replacement for B&S. For Sears Craftsman, for Troy-Bilt, for Honda, for DeVilbiss, for Generac, for Karcher axial cam many washer pumps model, not compatible with SRMW 2.3 2.4 2.5 GPM, SRMW 2.3 G28, SRMW 2.4 G28, RMW 2.5 G28. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.